Today we are going to look at another quite helpful browser extension. So the extension is called Shortcut for URL Mapper. This extension basically can be installed from here. It's not only for Chrome, but for most of the chromium based browser. I'm actually using Edge here. So I think for Opera and also Chrome as well. So it will be the same case. Actually, let's just quickly try to download Chrome and also try out. So I'm actually using my I'm actually just using my sandbox here. So it's actually pretty clean. So there's no browser. There's no Chrome. All the files folders is actually empty. So I'm quickly installing Chrome here. So if we're going back here, so I already have this shortcut for URL Mapper installed for Edge. Let's see how it works actually for Edge for now. So once it's being installed, it will basically shown here. If we click it, then basically it's actually kind of the instruction how it's to run it. I already have one configuration. This is actually so it's basically piloting to one URL. So let's see how it works. Let's just open a new tab. So if we type sc so this will direct to a URL. That URL is actually a long URL. Probably I never be able to remember, but I just need to remember the shortcut. Let's say it's then it will help me to basically direct to the right place. So let's see maybe another case. Let's see so probably we want to go to a random address. So this address, just assume this is actually address. Maybe we need to visit and off. So basically what we need to do is we actually need to tell, this is actually, let's just call it R since it's random. So we just provide this address. Then next time if you want to go there, we just tell, go to the address map to R. So this is the place. So that's basically how this shortcut URL mapper is working. I just got my Chrome installed. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show how this thing is actually being installed as well, just as a fresh run. So basically it actually can be run from here. Just one, it's actually the other one. So basically, click on this Add to Chrome button. It's actually can add to basically all the different Chromium browsers. So add it. Once it's added, people actually can sign in. So basically, they will have those settings across different browsers. So what I'm going to do is, I'm actually just going to do a fresh again. Basically, for let's see what's the address. This is the address, so I'm actually going to map it. So if I'm coming here, let's map it. If I type sc now, it will work. So this is actually the extension. That's regarding this extension. But for your information, that thing actually can't right now is actually if you install tab and use URL manager, this extension actually have that functionality as well. So if I see do options, actually have that mapping as well. So what we can do here is, so if we just click here, type it actually can, then just click the red arrow key, then it will actually just launch it as well. This type of URL manager can be actually launched by Alt-L as well. So just then right click, then it also goes. I think that's all for today.